In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear cookies and CSEG from Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking at the top right corner of the window. You will see the three vertical dots that open the Chrome menu. Click that menu to access more browser options. From there, open the Browsing Data Cleaner. In many versions of Chrome, you can do this by clicking or hovering over Delete Browsing Data. If you do not see it right away, you can use the alternate path instead. Open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Both methods take you to the same place, so use whichever one is easier for you. Once the Clear Browsing Data window appears, look for the Time Range menu. Click the drop-down and choose how much data you want to remove. If you want to completely clear cookies and cache from Chrome, choose All Time. If you only want to remove recent data, you can pick a shorter period such as the last hour. Next, select the specific types of data you want Chrome to delete. Make sure the box for cookies and other site data is checked. Also check cached images and files. If you want Chrome to keep a record of the websites you visited, you can leave browsing history unchecked. That way, Chrome removes the stored site data without deleting your browsing history. After you have confirmed your choices, click Delete Data or Clear Data depending on the version of Chrome you are using. Chrome will begin removing the selected information. This usually only takes a few moments. That covers everything you need to know.